Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can fix if your JBL Charge 5 is not turning on and what you can do about it. So there is one thing that you can try, and I'm really curious if it's going to work out in you, because for other JBL it's working. So what you want to do is you want to press the play button, the volume up button, and then you want to also press the volume down button together at the same time. And you just want to hold it, and possibly it's going to restart. So this is the first thing. Or the second thing, that this is something that I read from many people, is that what they try to do is that they are going to charge it overnight. So if this doesn't not going to work out, you can also try to let it charge during the whole night, and then in the morning maybe it's going to like start up for you. So you're gonna press the play button, the volume up button, and volume down button at the same time, and let me down below in the comments what is actually going to happen and what happens. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.